Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how we are going to derive the shape function by using displacement model. Okay. So first we are going to take the Cartesian coordinate system. So Cartesian coordinate would be equal to x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. I'll be constraint. Then see here we have shown the two nodes, that is 1 and 2 here, and displacement coordinate would be equal to u1 and u2. Now displacement model for two noded bar element is u is equal to a1 plus a2 into x, because we have only two nodes, so we will be getting only two generalized coordinates here. And this equation I will call it as 1. This equation I will be writing it in the matrix form. Okay, so this is how you are going to write it in the matrix form. This I will call it as second equation. Now we are going to apply the boundary condition, that is at node 1. What is there? Node 1, x is equal to 0 and u is equal to what? u1. Okay. Now I will apply this boundary condition for first equation, that is u is equal to u1 and this is equal to what? X is equal to 0. So I will be getting u1 is equal to a1. Then at node 2, x is equal to L and u is equal to u2. So u2 is equal to what? a1 plus a2 into L. Now what I will be doing is I will just calculate the value of a1 and a2, okay, in terms of u1 and u2. So u2 is equal to what? u1 plus a2 into L, which implies a2 is equal to what? u2 minus u1 divided by L. Okay, now I'll just write u1 and u2 in matrix form. So here important thing is you are going to write in terms of u1 and u2, like whatever the coefficients are there now here. So same thing I'll be writing here. So u1 is equal to only a1 is there. So you have only 1, that is 1 into u1 you will be having, u2 is 0, and here u1 is minus 1 by L and u2 is 1 by L. Okay. So this is equation 3. This is okay. This is a1 and this is a2 and this is u1 and this is u2. You just see that carefully. Okay. So a1 and a2 I will be writing in terms of what? u1 and u2. Now this value I will be substituting here. That is u is equal to what? 1 x 1 minus 1 by L, 0 1 by L into u1 u2. Okay, just simplify this one. You will be getting 1 minus x by L into u1 plus x by L into u2. Okay. See, we know that u is equal to what? n1 u1 plus n2 u2. Okay. So this one you compare with this, so you will be getting n1 is equal to what? 1 minus x by L and n2 is equal to x by L. Okay. So this shape function is in the Cartesian coordinate. So let us derive the equation in natural coordinates system. Okay. Now